wanting something to bite. Get it in the boat. Good God! All right, got one something to bite. Get it in the boat. Looks like it might be a catfish. Or a foul hook. I don't know what it is. Catfish or he's foul hooked. No, it's a bass. It's a bass. Get in the boat. Decent way to start a morning. Decent way to start a morning. So I am out on Oak Hollow today. It's supposed to be hot as the surface of the sun today. And I live 10 minutes from here. If I get hot, I'm gonna go home. So I'm out here and I'm in about, I don't know, 2 foot of water or so, and I'm just throwing this lipless right now until I get out into some deeper water. That's a good way to start it. Oak Hollow Lake, blue and chrome lipless crankbait. Alright, trying to get this stuff out of the pads. Get in the boat. He's a little guy, but I caught him out of the pads. You know, Oak Hollow has a very limited amount of pads, but I fish them. Here's number 2. Okay, he was under that log right there, fellas. I seen him come out and get it. He was under that log right there. So I'm over here, falling down, easy. So I'm over here by these, I think I barely had it. I'm over here by this another set of lily pads. There's actually a little tree, a little lay down right there. I threw it over it and he came out from under it and got it. So not a big one, but fish number 3. Caught it on the Rage Tail Swimmer technically out of the pads. Alright guys, so I was moving up and I thought I'd throw one more time under that stick. Just throw one more time under that stick and see if there's anything else. And it gets, oh easy, hey. Hey you get in my boat dirty, you little turd maker. Easy buddy. Yeah, so I guess that little one, because I told you he came out and got it, so I guess this one was laying up under there and went back and got him. Here I am trying to get some backlash out of my line, and this fella had it in his mouth. Barely hooked. Come on, buddy. I see you. Come on, come on, come on, get the boat. Yeah, guys, I was trying to. Hey, you startled me there, buddy. Easy now. Easy now. Yeah, so I was literally just trying to get some of the line, kind of, you know, it's not a backlight, but it kind of spools up on there, and I was trying to get that off. This dude had it in his mouth. That was caught on a Rapala DT6. Oh, it's a nice fish. Nice fish. Trying to get him in the boat. Come on. Get in the boat. Poor landing, but nice fish. Easy guy. Easy fella. Easy fella. Hey, hey. Hey, that's the best fish of the day. I mean, that's like, oh, that easy came out. So I'm out here. There's a fish attractor right here. That's the Johnson Street Bridge. So I'm just out here throwing a worm. Carolina rig worm, red, watermelon red flake. That's one of the day. I'm about to get out of here, man. It's, I don't know, it's 11:30. It's hot, but might be the last fish of the day. I ain't mad if it is. A little something. What a little bass. What a little bass. This little fella right here had delusions of grandeur. I mean, dang. Guys, I'm gonna show you my worm setup. So I got a 7-foot medium heavy Veritas rod. I got it teamed up with a Johnny Morris Carbon Light 2.0 reel. Looks like I don't know what it is. It got worn off. Anyway, I got 65-pound braid. I actually have 20-pound leader on this. This is a watermelon red flake worm, just Texas rigged. And I do put the little yellow dip at the end of it. You know, the only thing I do different, probably. So this is how I do my Carolina rig. So what I've got, you can order these little things right here off of Amazon. They're called bobber stoppers. You put one. I put one here. Then I put a red weight, 2 beads, and then I put 2, just because if you make that cast, this will slide down. What this enables me to do is, if I'm out here in the deeper water and I want to fish with a little, you know, longer, like a Carolina rig, but then when I get around a laydown, I can literally just bring that down. Now I've got a 4-inch. I can bring it all the way down until it pegs. Now I got a Texas rig, so it's just something I picked up along the way, something I enjoy doing, because I'm not going to have two. I don't throw soft plastic very often, and I'm not going to have a Carolina rig on the deck and a Texas rig on the deck. So this right here enables me to do both. Watermelon red flake. This is a Big Bite Baits, and it's just a stick worm. But I mean, you know, these Big Bite Baits, man, you can get a pack of 25 for about what it costs a pack of 5 or 6 zooms at the Walmart. So I get mine from Tackle Warehouse.